You think soap cleans you, right? Well, what if I told you it doesn't? Those dirts aren't getting clean. They're actually being chemically negotiated. And soap is the sneaky diplomat making everyone cooperate. That means every time you wash your hands, you're basically hosting a tiny peace talk between water, oil, and dirt. Here's how. Your skin is coated in natural oils. Protective, but also clingy. And hey, guess who else is clingy? Dirt and germs. They both love oil. Water tries to wash them all away. And fails miserably. Because oil and water are sworn enemies. You can tell from all the grease still on your palms. Now meet the weirdest thing in your bathroom. A soap molecule. A diagnosed bipolar. Yeah, it does have two personalities. One end that loves water. And one end that loves oil. It's bilingual like that in liquids. When you scrub, millions of these molecules rush in, surrounding the oil and dirt like a swarm forming a bubble shield. These little spheres are called micelles. Just a cute word for a molecular hangout. This flips the rules. Suddenly, water can rinse everything away. Not because soap cleaned the dirt off, but because it eased the tension between both parties. Here's the part most people don't know. Rubbing spreads the soap molecules everywhere. Foaming increases micelles. More micelles equals more dirt trapped equals cleaner hands. And bubbles? Just tiny balloons for the ongoing party. And here's a fun twist. You don't even need hot water for all of this to work. The temperature barely matters. It's all about time, friction. And yes, micelles. Which means even cold water can still kick dirt out. With soap acting as the ultimate negotiator. So next time you wash your hands, remember, you're not scrubbing dirt away. You're convincing chemistry to politely escort it off your skin. Soap doesn't clean you. It ignites a molecular party. If you liked the video, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one.